This one lasts me forever. I'm telling you, just get one, you're good to go. Because I use combinations of both condensed glue gels, so that's why. Okay, let's go in precision glue on this super cute Hawaiian nails. I don't know what you call this, but it's so cute. I am going to check every single cracks I feel scratchy right there. Now I'm going to squeeze. Each time I just squeeze just a little bit, but just hold on, don't squeeze it out yet until you feel scratchy. I would squeeze it out and gently when I feel that it's scratchy right here, I feel that. So you can feel it over the frame and charms, but I would not doing it on the top of your crystal or dragon scale unless you're doing encapsulating your dragon scale with the clear. So great. I'm check every single edges. And then for this one, I'm going to using a twin tip brush and blend it. So after we're done, it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy to me. And keep it, the design is really nice and flawless. Give it a swipe on the side. There you go. Here for 60 seconds. And then going to the next one. This one, I don't know. Which one is your favorite though? I like them all. But this one is stunning as well. This one is so beautiful. I'm gonna check every edges of the frame. Again, using my twin tip brush. There you go. And keep for 60 seconds. Thank you, Miss Mirandy. I hope you lady enjoying it, even like you playing one nails a day. Hey, let's see. We are usually going live. Well, it's really different, but we always going live every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, except Sunday. But we're going at nighttime. And we usually me, Nancy, going on the Glitz. I usually going between 8 or 9 o'clock. The reason is because right now a lot of people, ambassador or people stay at home. They doing live, so we don't want to get crashed with the internet. And also, some of our brand ambassadors going live earlier, like 7 or 8 o'clock. So we want to have time to watching and support them there. So you know, for like if you turn on your notifications, usually we'll go live by 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Notifications on the Facebook or Instagram, so you will never miss our live video. It's really stunning. It's like you're watching us doing right here in live. So if you have questions or anything, you can always question, and we can hang out together and learn together and support each other. Great. So I'm giving a little swipe again here. 60 seconds. The last one. I'm freaking love this like precision glue. This become my best friends on the crystal placements. I always, whenever the clients want to get a crystal placement, you know what? I have to haul with me the bestie with my Trifecta, condensed glue gels, no web top coat, and precision glue. Because it's not only me feeling good, but the clients absolutely feeling a different, like feels so good. Like, Nancy, this one is still scratchy. I feel that it's great because they know it, that it's gonna catching on their hair. Now after we're done with this, and they don't have to worry about anything at all. They feel so good and like last 3 to 6 weeks. So I'm feeling in any gaps and the cracks right here, I feel scratchy. And then I just squeeze, each time I squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. The little bottles go a long way. Such a great worth your investment. And it's first, like it's one thing, but then it's more than anything, it just keep us really feel so good, and the clients feel really sit back and ensure that their crystal placement is go nowhere but stay on their nails. They have no choice because we double secure and we really seal it well. So I'm giving a little swipe because then that way they can able to get blend nicely. Great. Hey, my little butterflies. Here for 60 seconds. And remember to put back the red caps. You don't want that to happen, spill or clog your brush, but I want to show you the really cool feature of this, which is dual end. So sometimes I finish and I like, okay, I forgot, I want to add a couple more of my crystals, like smaller side or the beads on it. I just using the brush and then just tap to where I wanted it, really good amount, and then I place my beads or my crystals on it and it stay there or not going anywhere. So if you want really precision, you go with the brush, with the needles. And if you want to add something that you forgot, you don't have to go back with your condensed glue gel. If you're using a smaller like crystals, it's great to just use it alternative. Great. So we have this one. I'm gonna using a little alcohol. Get me the alcohol, and I'm gonna give it a wipe off because sometimes I have a wax residue on my crystal pickers, and it looks really cloudy on that. Give it a little wipe. I always do like that for the clients. So I put the cuticle oil to nurturing the cuticles, and then using the alcohol to wipe off all that oil or residues on the top of nails. So then after that, then taking a pictures. Beautiful. Let me show you closer which one we did first. We did this one, and then we did this one. No, we did this one, we did this one. If you pay attention, we did 2 with neons and then 2 with just AB, crystal AB.